In my last video, I gave my first impressions on running Path of Exile 2 on Nobara OS on my gaming PC, as well as Bazzite OS on my Lenovo Legion Go. And while it looked like my Linux handheld was overachieving, getting really good quality at 30 FPS and getting decent quality at 60 FPS, and on the other hand my Nobara OS gaming PC with a 3080 and a Ryzen 7 5800X was underachieving, only getting a stable 60 FPS with everything turned up to high. So I uploaded that video, and the comments let me have it a little bit, telling me I should be getting much better performance with the hardware that I have.
I ain't gonna lie, I'm getting cooked.
And I agreed, I just didn't know how to fix it at the time. After doing some simple software and driver updates with no progress, I thought maybe just waiting would be the best option. Maybe an update to Nobara OS, to the Nvidia drivers, to Path of Exile, or even Proton might solve my problem. So sure enough, a few days later, Proton GE drops 9.22, so I figured I'd give it a try. So I upgraded from 9.21 to 9.22, and it didn't solve my problem. Still getting about 60 FPS and really unstable frame rates. So I took a step back, kind of like I do at work when I'm trying to solve a problem that seems like it has a really easy solution, but I might be overcomplicating it. So I sat down and went over what I've done so far. I basically updated every component that I could think of. But what about removing some components? So then I went on a little bit of a debloat quest. Maybe there was something just running in the background that didn't need to be, or something that was just outdated I needed to get rid of to help the performance of my game. So I started with just the basics. I did a sudo dnf clean all command. This clears out all the cache data and package metadata, and then I ran sudo dnf auto remove. The -y at the end is just for when you run that command and it asks yes or no, do you want to proceed, it just automatically chooses yes. And then I rebooted and hoped for the best. I figured it was just good general maintenance considering I hadn't run those commands in a while, and there was probably a lot of built up bloat that I just needed to get rid of. So after the reboot, I loaded up Path of Exile 2 again, and sure enough, I was getting about double the frames. I went from averaging a really unstable 60-ish FPS to averaging well over 100 FPS, with it being much more stable. I could not believe just a little bit of debloat did all of that, so I had to double check. So I thought, okay, maybe it was the Proton update after all. So I went from Proton GE 9.22 back down to 9.21, and it was still good. So after I confirmed that the Proton update didn't fix it, I went to look a little bit deeper on what those debloat commands actually did. So I checked my command history and looked a little bit deeper into what that auto remove command did. And it removed 51 items. So by removing those 51 items, it reduced bloat, it removed background processes that could have been running, and also could have resolved some driver or library conflicts. So hopefully this helps somebody out there that's currently banging their head against the wall and can't figure out why they're getting such low performance on their Linux PCs.